And we're rolling. Hey people, this is something new. Well, it will be eventually. Here we are, outside our shed. Beautiful, isn't it? And this is Quentin, the one who had us clear this out. Say hi.
Man.
Okay. So, look at this. The door's already coming off.
No, they're good.
It's all busted up. Alrighty. Quentin kind of tore off the door. This is the outside of the shed. And then, you might have seen this a couple times when Rosebud and Dipper were here. And then, there's the other side. So, Quentin, my brother, he was all in the shed. And me and my brother Brandon help with this. Moved everything out of the shed. That was fun. And the whole time me and Brandon got to play bandits. We had on bandanas. You can see all the footprints. So, the reason I'm shooting this is because in about 3 weeks, tops, I don't know how long it takes to build one of these, this is going to be no more. There's Brandon over there, my other brother. Those are not salvageable. They gotta work on that word. But, yep. So this is the final look at the shed before it's gone. Keep tuning in.